Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the ultimate showdown of 2026, GPT Image 2 versus Google's Nano Banana 2. We have finally reached a point where AI image generation isn't just about making cool art, it's about professional production standards. But while both of these models claim to be the top choice for creators, they serve completely different masters and follow entirely different design philosophies. Let's start with the newcomer, GPT Image 2. This is OpenAI's flagship, and it has one specific superpower that sets it apart: reasoning. Unlike older models that just guessed what a prompt meant, GPT Image 2 uses a thinking pipeline. It actually plans the composition before it starts drawing. This results in what industry experts are calling 99% typography accuracy. If you need a business card, an infographic, or a product label with precise small print text in multiple languages, GPT Image 2 is the current gold standard. It doesn't just get the English right, it handles complex scripts like Arabic and Chinese with near-perfect legibility. On the other side of the ring, we have Nano Banana 2. Now, don't let the name fool you. This is a speed demon built on Google's Gemini Flash architecture. While GPT Image 2 might take 45 seconds to think through a complex request, Nano Banana 2 delivers high-quality results in a fraction of that time. It is designed for high-volume iteration. If you're a social media manager who needs to generate 50 different variations of an ad in 5 minutes, Nano Banana 2 is your best friend. It also has a massive advantage in world knowledge. Because it's integrated with Google Search, it can accurately render real-world landmarks, current events, and specific products better than a model that relies solely on its training data. When it comes to image quality, both support native 4K resolution, but they have different flavors. GPT Image 2 leans heavily into cinematic photorealism and artistic versatility. It excels at complex lighting, subtle textures, and maintaining character consistency across multiple generations. If you're making a storyboard or a comic book, GPT Image 2's ability to keep the same face across 10 different images is a game changer. Nano Banana 2, however, is much more flexible with aspect ratios and multi-platform assets. It's a workhorse for marketing teams who need to turn a single concept into vertical, square, and widescreen formats simultaneously without losing the core message. Pricing is another area where they diverge. Nano Banana 2 is generally more affordable and often accessible for free within the Gemini ecosystem, making it the practical choice for everyday tasks. GPT Image 2 is a premium tool with tiered pricing based on quality and size. You're paying for that extra thinking time and the surgical precision of the output. So, which one is better? If your work is text-heavy and requires absolute precision, think UI design, brand packaging, or complex infographics, GPT Image 2 is the clear winner. But if your priority is speed, real-world factual accuracy, and high-volume creative testing, Nano Banana 2 is the more efficient tool for your workflow. It's not about which model is smarter anymore. It's about whether you need a meticulous architect or a lightning-fast creative director. That is the full comparison of the two biggest names in AI imagery today. Subscribe the channel for more videos.